You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this delicious pasta dish recipe from Italy. More food names from Italian to come. Pasta alla Gricia or spaghetti alla Gricia is how it's said in Italian, or spaghetti alla Gricia. Yeah, and now you know more videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.